fans of high-quality entertainment. So once again, I've received a gift from a viewer. I'm going to unbox it. As some of you know, if you've been watching my videos, a few years back, I think it was like over 5 years ago, I bought the Electric Light Orchestra box set, all of their early albums. And, you know, I've always been a fan of the band. But back then, at that time, I was mainly a fan of El Dorado, which I have here. It's my favorite. And then a New World Record I bought about a year ago. I was, you know, going to start buying all of the albums again. And my second favorite is ELO 2. But when I had the box set, you know, of course I played it, but then it kind of sat in my CD collection and for a while. And when that happens, you know, I start thinking, I could trade this in and get something else, right? And that's happened many times. There's a lot of box sets and CDs I've traded in the past that I don't regret at all. But, you know, there's always a couple that you regret later on, and ELO, definitely, because I started to get really back into them and realize that Jeff Lynne is a musical genius. He's one of the greats for sure. And I've even got, I think this was sent by my friend Pal when Jeff Lynne was in The Move. That. And this one here, Message from the Country with Roy Wood. And they're excellent too. And then, you know, there's the Traveling Wilburys and his solo career. And, you know, his work with the Beatles and Tom Petty and whoever. He's just one of the greats. So I regretted, you know, probably it kind of hit me maybe a couple of years ago. I was missing my ELO box set. So Karsten from Belgium left me a comment on YouTube and asked for my email address. He said he wanted to send me the box set because I guess he wasn't as big of a fan of ELO as I am. And he wrote to me, "It's a pleasure for me to send you this collection as a gift. I feel honored that you accept it, so I may get the chance to say thank you very much for all of your profound videos." I don't know about profound. But thank you. "On the music we and so many others love. It's always mindful and with a touch of humor with what you create. I wish you a much more healthier year 2025 and all the best to Molly. Yours sincerely, Karsten." Thank you. And I don't mind anybody contacting me on Facebook, Gmail, whatever. Just as I've said, I can't continually, you know, message back and forth because of my tendinitis in my hands and chronic pain. Got to mention that in every video. So here we go. And I think he said he was going to add a couple more CDs to it. Watch me cut right through the box set. This is the unboxing part. Yeah, so, you know, sometimes I might come across as a snob with messages, right, on Facebook or whatever, because I don't reply much, or, you know, I don't continually have a conversation with someone because I just can't. I love you all. Well, most of you. Here we go. Cool. There's a postcard. Hello, Larry. Hello. I hope you enjoy your ELO box set. It would be funny if it was actually a prank. You know, a prank and it's like a bunch of Nickelback CDs. That would be so funny. For me, it is a way to say thank you for all of your YouTube videos on the music I love and so many others. Keep on rocking and hope your health will always be in good condition. So, I kind of read that. Right? There you go. Thank you. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? There's something in here. Wow, and it is in looks brand new. Thumbnail. There it is. Yeah, and I'm going to be on Phil Aston's Spinning Magazine YouTube channel sometime. We're kind of thinking maybe in February, maybe the end of February. I'm going to be listening to all of these albums. And we're going to be ranking the albums on his channel. So please subscribe to Phil Aston Spinning Magazine. If I remember, I'll have a link below. So here it is. There's all the albums. And there's more here in a second. I'll show you. Well, so there's the booklet. They were just such a great band. You know, it wasn't just Jeff Lynne. All of the members of the band were just so talented. Their first album, which I love. Yeah, like I said, I regretted departing with my box set. The second one, in Canada, we had, I think we had a different cover and there was no gatefold. Canada always gets ripped off. On the third day, I like it that they have the original gatefolds. El Dorado, which didn't have a gatefold, and what I dislike about this, the only thing, is the cover is the very same on the back and the front. Face the Music. I love this photo. Out of the Blue, double album. A New World Record, again. Discovery, which I never bought. That A New World Record, back in the days of vinyl, was the last album I bought. So I don't know these albums very well. And Time. People are saying this is really good. And then Secret Messages. And Balance of Power. And he also got me, isn't that nice? Wow. Mrs. Miller's Great... That joke never gets old. Jeff Lynne's ELO from Out of Nowhere, which I have never heard. I'm so happy. And Jeff Lynne's ELO, that looks 3D, that's cool. Alone in the Universe. It's 3D, man. Ooh. That. And a booklet. So, wow. Thank you again, Karsten. Very, I'm not going to get emotional. On my, my other, I always forget which channel I'm doing this for, but on my other YouTube channel just today, I posted a tribute to my dad. It would be his birthday, it's his birthday today. He passed away in 2007, so he would have been 101 years old today. And so, yeah, I think about him today a lot. And this is just super nice. My viewers, I've been sent so much stuff through the years. And sometimes I don't even beg for it. No, I like I mentioned in a video or two about missing my ELO box set, not thinking some viewer, I'm not intentionally saying it, so some viewer sends me the box set. Stop sending, I keep saying, stop sending me stuff. No, but anyway, being silly now, thank you. Thank you. And like I said, please make sure you're subscribed to Phil Aston's channel, because I'm looking forward to listening to all of the albums many times, and we're going to rank them on Phil's channel.